Okay, so for your presentation, I noticed you're already using the term antibiotics. No? So actually, the appropriate term would be antimicrobial agent kasi nalagay naman antimicrobial activity. Kasi pag antibiotic, that would mean na yung known na parang may application siya kaagad, no? For humans, but we are still starting, you know, from the screening process. So siguro, as much as possible, do away mo na rin the use of the term antibiotic. Kasi sa antibiotics talagang parang may human application na siya, no? Okay. I noticed yung test organism nyo is more or less widespread. May gram-positive, may gram-negative, may yeast. Siguro kulang sa ano kaya, Filamentous fungus. Para kompleto na siya, no? So siguro baka Niger, no? Medyo safe, kabakan. At least, talagang tunay na antimicrobial, no? So talagang from gram-positive bacteria to fungi, no? Yung bacteria positive and negative, yung fungi, yeast and molds, you know, like yung aspergillus. No? Okay. I noticed you're going to use Nopian agar for the isolation of your actinol.
Sir, starch kasing agar. Starch kasing agar.
Yeah, starch kasing agar, no? Kasi medyo relatively rich yung medium din nyo. Would you like to use siguro mga selective medium for actino? Kasi meron tayong mga some selective medium. Kasi kung very rich siya, ang mga actino yung sabi mabagal tumubo, no? So they will be outgrown by the fast-growing yung ibang bacteria, no? Parang ganun. But if you use, let's say, a selective medium, na talagang more or less sila lang yung preferred, no? Then it will be easy to isolate them, no? Itong actino. Kasi relatively kasi mabagal silang mag-grow, no? So siguro, you can use, siguro you can dilute your starch kasing or probably half strength, no? Parang ganun. Or use another medium na talagang medyo selective lang for actino. Kasi alam ko yung ang lamanan niya parang amino acid lang and some salt, no? Parang ganun. So this will prevent the growth of the other bacteria, no? So kasi talagang parang selective. And then ang pH, medyo gawin yung slightly basic or alkaline. So yeah, medyo selective na siya for actinomyces.
Test your culture to isolate from the culture selection because the performance is antimicrobial antibiotics. Parang parallel. Just to make sure that what you're getting from the culture selection is generally sensitive to all. And kung meron mo yung gusto pang resistant organism, alam mo na ang profile niya ay resistant. Hindi, wala lang. This is that update na tulad or regulation of your shop. Something to be okay, kasi pwede namang hindi ko. Kaya naisip ko lang just to make sure that water meron may antimicrobial soap unless of course culture selection is provided.
Yes, kasi usually di ba may ano sila kung saan galing yung test organism, then may profile.
Kasi usually now, kung ATCC, kukunin mo just coming from the culture collection. Kasi either or, at least galing
Perhaps you can, when we do the you can run it with no cover anti-gram positive na dapat yung test organism hindi mag-grow. Meron kang positive. Tapos ako naman yung comment, some of your information in the manuscript not consistent with your slide. For example, yung primary screening, sabi niyo dyan, incubate siya sa room temperature after inoculation of the dead organism. Here it says 37 days. And then also yung sa total heterotrophic count, the plating of 10 to the 6 to 10 to the minus 8, too high, it's too high because we don't know the range yet. So we start from lower the range, siguro 10 to the minus 2 up to 10 to the minus 8. So that we know, so that we can catch the correct rate.
So, no more officer.
Hindi ko lang alam kung yung stop for use ba? Is it apothetic or ano sa pinag siya? Ha? Pero hindi ko ba? Saan hindi siya sa apothetic? Kasi hindi ginatagap apothetic. Ito yung slide kanina to. Kasi alam ko, S is highly aerobic and always. Ayan, sa apothetic.